Hello friends, welcome to this channel. I share with you one thing. So many peoples starting speak English, but they do not continue to speak because lack of confidence or lack of belief. They are not able to speak English. First of all, you can understand these things, and if you not practice, you will not able to speak well. First of all, you need to practice. You must have to practice, otherwise you can't speak. So many students and persons is think like that. Oh, I am doing that course, I am doing this thing, doing this, that blah blah blah, that thing, but not happening with you. First of all, understand this thing. Everything with you have to listening and writings and speaking, then you will understand. First of all, important thing. First of all, you have first step, you listening. Most of the student are no persons and not listen so many content in English. Big mistakes and admit so many comment, leave it in my comment section. He said that I am not able to speak. First of all, absorb it. Are you absorbing Hindi content? Anything you see Hindi, but if you think I am able to speak English, it is not possible. You have to connect with environment like these types of people. You always speak English and conquer this problem. If you have not, you can connect with connect with so many social media. Is also provide English speaking like that. YouTube stories, videos, and articles are present in so many things in English. But if you do not understand, English content is much more than Hindi contents and regional language content. That's reason I am forced to you. If you do not understand English, you must know English. That are you able to speak, think, and everything at the time is going on English. You have to understand. Are you not able to understand English properly well? Are you not able to write properly well? If you think, how can can you imagine how can survive at that time upcoming in the year? If you are not so many documents in a year, at that your reports, everything is present in English, and not format prescriptions right in Hindi written in language. Some state are provided a regional language. I accept this.